This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro ecosystem, a huge expandable capacity. A mix of renewable charging solutions and direct integration with your home. In this video, we'll show you how to expand your Delta Pro's capacity with the Delta Pro Extra Battery or Smart Generator. To expand the capacity, you can connect up to 2 extra batteries or smart generators. Alternatively, you can connect one of each. To connect a Delta Pro Smart Extra Battery, use the extra battery cable to connect to the port on the back of Delta Pro. You can monitor usage data at any time via the EcoFlow app. In extreme cases, you can use the EcoFlow Smart Generator for backup power. To set up the Smart Generator, turn the fuel cap vent lever and engine switch to the on position and connect it to your Delta Pro via the extra battery port. Once your Smart Generator is set up, it will auto-detect if your unit is below 20%. If the battery level drops, the engine will start and charge your unit to full automatically. You can alter the battery level at which the Smart Generator engine turns on in the EcoFlow app. You can also start charging the Delta Pro Smart Extra Battery right away by pressing and holding the electric start button, remotely from the EcoFlow app or manually with the starter grip. That's how to use the Delta Pro Extra Battery and the Smart Generator. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.